High pressure alarm malfunction.
Someone, now, fire.
I'm Diana. I'm a technical engineer at Apex Heavy Machinery plant. A week ago, the factory rolled out AI robot integration. I was 3 minutes late. Not only did they suspend my annual technical allowance, they also revoked my 10-year seniority allowance. And I was the first one to get replaced by AI, I know. The new manager was making an example of me. From that day on, I strictly followed the rules, clocked in on time, clocked out on time, not a second more. I want to show you all. If you replace me with AI, whether this factory can even keep running.
Our Apex factory is the group's benchmark company. We must stay at the industry's forefront, keep up with the times. Since I've taken over as manager, from today on, we'll fully implement the group's plans and vigorously promote the AI robot integration. So, it's actually happening.
This is not good news. If AI really works, we'll all lose our jobs.
Diana, you were a full 3 minutes late today. I just announced the new rules yesterday. 1 minute late means a fine of $60. 3 minutes is a serious violation. So I decided to suspend your entire annual special technical allowance of $24,000. Also, I'm canceling your 10-year seniority allowance. Additionally, your lax discipline affects the team. From now on, you'll be replaced by an AI robot. Diana worked overtime till the wee hours last night. She was only 3 minutes late. Manager, isn't that going too far?
This isn't about punishing lateness. It's clearly making an example of her. Paving the way for AI robot integration. Manager, Diana was calibrating the gas turbine blades last night. She worked until 2 a.m.
Shut up. Factory regulations are the bottom line. Whoever breaks the rules, I'll deal with them.
Diana, don't say any more.
Diana, do you have anything to say?
He's determined to make an example of me. Anything I say now is pointless. I accept the decision.
Fine. If you have no objections, sign here.
I know you want to see me cave. See me break. I won't. I want to see whether AI can actually replace me.
What are you waiting for? Just sign it.
Diana, you're the factory's new tech talent. Stick with me and work hard. We'll make this factory great together.
Don't worry, Arthur. I'll study hard. I'll do my best.
I trust you.
Thanks, Arthur.
Diana, we make precision gas turbine equipment. Precision is our lifeline, not even a single slip up. We owe it to the factory's trust, and to the skills we've mastered.
Arthur, I'll remember that.
Diana, you've already outdone me. You can handle the factory's equipment. You've got this. I can retire in peace.
Arthur.
This pen has been with me all my life. Writing operating procedures, sketching designs, it's done everything. Now it's yours. It's been with me 30 years. Now it's your turn to write new chapters.
Thank you, Arthur.
Remember what I told you. Hold the line. Protect our factory.
I'll remember. I won't let you down. Arthur, don't worry. In my own way, I'll protect your life's work.
See this? This is what happens when you break the rules. From now on, anyone who does it again gets the same treatment. No leniency.
Diana, you're so stubborn. So stubborn, you just signed it like that. That was over $20,000.
Next, there's another important matter. Let's welcome our new engineer, the AI robot.
So this is the AI robot. From a distance, it looks kinda human.
But up close, the way it walks, facial expressions, and eye movements, you can still tell the difference. This is our factory's custom robot, R3. Manager, good morning. See that? This robot can even say hello on its own. This is Jared. He just graduated this year. He's our new robot trainer from now on. This robot will be under his management. Jared will also join the tech department alongside the robot. Let's welcome him.
Diana, do you think AI can really replace our jobs? Buying a robot and hiring a trainer. Isn't that redundant?
This AI wave has finally hit our factory.
I heard this kid is the manager's nephew. This position was obviously created just for him.
These are the new factory regulations I've drawn up. Starting today, everyone gets a copy. Everyone must strictly follow them. Don't be like a certain someone, thinking she's special, believing the factory can't run without her. Come on, Jared. Show everyone the robot. This is the latest generation of highly intelligent humanoid robots. All equipment operation data from the factory has been entered. Calling it the most experienced engineer in our factory is no exaggeration. It doesn't need time off, doesn't eat, doesn't use the bathroom. It can work 20 hours a day. Do you think it can do Diana's job? It's not up to me. Let it demonstrate. See that? The R3 robot's operations are faster and more precise than manual work. Most of Diana's work is standard procedure. It can achieve a process overlap rate of over 97%. After analysis, the process overlap rate is 98.95%. Not just Diana's, everyone's job here can be gradually replaced by it. Once the database upgrade is complete, it's just a matter of time.
Why is he talking so arrogantly?
That's called confidence. You hear that? Soon your jobs will be replaced by AI. Anyone willing to take a pay cut to stay? Come to my office later. Alright, meeting adjourned.
Come on, let's go check out the robot, see what it's really capable of.
I'm not going. You go ahead.
Diana, off work.
Yep, following factory regulations, leaving on time. Not a second later. This war is just beginning. Let's wait and see.
Diana, honored to meet you.
Excuse me, may I ask who you are?
Let me introduce myself first. My name is Hannah. I studied overseas. I had the pleasure of attending your technical lecture. I learned a lot.
So, what can I do for you?
Well, I just acquired the largest heavy machinery plant in the West. We need a technically strong leader to take the reins, especially a gas turbine rotor blade machining expert. You were the first person I thought of, so I came here specifically to sincerely invite you to join our company. I know this might be a bit forward, but I'm sincere. You can name your salary, and I promise you, the factory's technical management will be entirely in your hands. I won't interfere at all.
The battle has only just begun. How can I run away? I must hold on for Arthur. Thank you for your trust. But I don't want to switch jobs for now.
I understand, Diana. I respect your decision. But if you ever need anything, feel free to contact me anytime.
Thank you. It's been a long time since I've had a proper breakfast. 10 whole years. Every day I came in an hour early. I gave it my all, quietly. But in others' eyes, it doesn't even match being 3 minutes late, that one offense.
Jared, this is our factory's most expensive equipment, imported from overseas, specifically for machining core turbine blades. Are you sure the robot can handle it? Don't worry, Supervisor Davis. We tested it yesterday, didn't we? I guarantee it'll be fine.
We tested it. After just one test, you dare use it on core equipment.
Diana, morning.
Supervisor Davis, morning.
Almost time. Let's fire it up. Shut it down. Quick, shut it down. Shut down. Shut it down, now. Jared, what's going on? I detected abnormal vibrations. Analyzing the cause. Didn't you say the robot was guaranteed to be fine? What if it hit someone? This equipment must have taken a heavy hit. What happened? Mr. Vance. The equipment malfunctioned. Almost caused an accident. Luckily, no one got hurt. What about the products? How are they? Mr. Vance. This batch of turbine blades all have cracks. They're defective. Each one is $20,000. All ruined. So they have to be scrapped. That's a huge loss. Who was operating it? The robot was operating it. What the hell happened? R3 strictly followed the operation manual. There was absolutely no error in the process. I bet someone sabotaged it on purpose. The parameters don't match the material hardness. Suggest recalibrating. Hear that? It's a machine parameter issue. Maybe the equipment itself was tampered with. This equipment has been maintained by Diana. Maybe ask Diana to take a look. Get her over here. Diana, the equipment is acting up. Come take a look.
Okay.
Diana, come quick, take a look. Why are the products failing?
Servo drive composite overload. Abnormal torque output. Look at this curve. The mechanical positioning reference has deviated.
Diana really knows this machine. Diana, didn't you warm it up and calibrate this morning?
Warm up and calibrate? Why would I do that?
But you used to come in an hour early every day to do a warm-up check.
That was before.
I think you're deliberately slacking off, getting back at us. Do you still want this job?
Mr. Vance. But according to factory regulations, page 5, article 5, pre-startup system check and parameter calibration are normal work tasks that should be completed during regular working hours.
So her coming in an hour early every day, was that all for nothing?
It's 8:05 now, regular work time.
You.
For the past 10 years, I came in an hour early every day to the factory, working on the equipment. I gave willingly, but in the end, you took it for granted.
Mr. Vance, if I may, the equipment operation manual doesn't include warm-up. But starting tomorrow, I can have the R3 robot arrive an hour and a half early to warm up, ensuring normal operation. Update the operation process, daily pre-warm-up. See, robots are reliable. They work without complaint. Unlike some people. As for the torque overload issue just now, the R3 robot can handle it 100%. You mean, the robot can fix it? Guaranteed to fix it. 100%. R3, start. Diana, move aside. Don't interfere with R3's operation. It's actually spinning. See? Isn't it spinning? Mr. Vance, the equipment is all set and ready to use. Well done, you've got skills, truly a smart robot, worth every penny the company spent. Unlike some people, who earn several times the robot's salary, but don't pull their weight. Quick! Measure the blade profile data for this batch.
Still rejects. Data is off, so it'll never pass.
Not bad, not bad. The robot's really skilled, and Jared's got his head on straight. Today I officially announce the promotion of R3 and Jared as our new engineering duo. From now on, this equipment will be entirely their responsibility. Manager, this is an imported A9, now suddenly changing hands. Seems a bit off, doesn't it? What's inappropriate about it? You old-timers are just stuck in your ways, afraid to give young people a chance, afraid to embrace new things. What era is this? The AI era. AI is here, and those that should be replaced will be. You either keep up, or get left behind. Today you all saw. R3 easily solved the problem. Manager, rest assured. R3 has fully studied this machine, and can definitely maintain it. See, AI robot integration to replace human workers is such a brilliant decision. Alright, I will now officially announce.
Supervisor, the blade profile data is non-compliant.
Manager. This batch of goods has to be scrapped too. That's impossible. Doesn't this look the same as before? Is there something wrong with the testing equipment? No way. Maybe we should get Diana to take a look. Diana again? Jared, can you fix this? R3 has calibrated the equipment according to the regulations. It can't fail the inspection. Unless what? Unless some employees are sabotaging things. Why are you blaming the employees again? We can't rule out human interference. Worthless. Go get Diana. Okay, I'm on it. Diana.
Supervisor Davis. What now?
The equipment is acting up again. Come take a look. Have R3 watch Diana's every move. Record every step. Don't worry, manager. R3 never forgets. Diana, can you hurry it up a bit?
What's the rush? Isn't there that highly intelligent robot over there that can calibrate the equipment? And a robot trainer who specializes in calibrating it? According to the manual, before operating, you have to tidy up your appearance. I'm strictly following the rules.
Fine, fine. Diana, take a look. Why is the profile data of these blades still failing inspection? What else is wrong with this machine?
Okay. On this component, there's a ring of micro scratches. The zero drift compensation parameter needs to be recalibrated.
The machine isn't fixed yet. Where are you going?
You asked me to find the problem. I've done my job.
You. R3, can you solve this? No data in database. Please re-enter. That's it. Some highly intelligent robot. Looks like a useless blame shifter to me.
If he had to operate this machine, the whole production line would be doomed.
Can you input the data right away? Data? It needs to first collect a lot of samples. What a waste of space. What a failure. So, the appointment of Jared and R3 has just been temporarily cancelled. Still, let Diana handle it. Diana, hurry, and check what other problems there are. In the end, we still have to rely on Diana. Didn't the robot just say it could handle it 100%?
And you wanted AI to replace me? No way. Fine.
Diana, don't you usually handle it in just a few steps? Why are you so slow today?
Supervisor Davis, the manual says we must use the infrared thermometer, record 3 readings, and take the average.
Now, who's got time for that? Your intuition is always spot on. The workers are waiting. Any more delays, and we'll fall behind on production. Diana, are you deliberately slacking off? I order you to speed up immediately, and if production is affected, I'll hold you responsible. Diana, you're doing this on purpose, aren't you? If we fall behind schedule, can you bear the responsibility?
Article 3 of the factory regulations clearly states that operations must follow the procedures with no reliance on experience. So I am just following the rules. Is this factory regulation just for show? Mr. Vance, you personally set these rules, so I wouldn't dare to break them. Now, my special technical allowance is gone, and if you also deduct my performance pay, I'll have nothing to live on.
You. What's so funny? Move faster. Make sure R3 watches every step, every single one, no mistakes allowed. Don't worry, Mr. Vance. Almost done. Just one last step. 2 hours left for calibration. That long? Diana, are you stalling on purpose? Holding up production, can you answer for that?
Mr. Vance, I'm following the company's schedule to perform the zero drift compensation and annual calibration of parameters. This process is inherently complex. Supervisor Davis can confirm that.
That's right. This annual calibration does take time. But why now, of all times, do the annual calibration?
Because it was never done before.
But thankfully, just one last step left. Stop wasting time, hurry up. It's finally almost ready. Diana, what are you doing?
Oh, time's up. I'm clocking out. Time's up. I'm off the clock.
Just one more thing. What's the hurry? Do you have to rush out the door this very minute? Yeah. Diana, can't you stay a little longer just to finalize the parameters? It won't take long.
Sorry, but it's already past quitting time. The manual clearly states not to operate any precision instruments after hours. To prevent accidents. It's a factory regulation. Mr. Vance himself specifically reminded us this morning. Did you forget already?
Diana, are you seriously saying that now? Are you deliberately trying to spite me? Do you really think this factory can't run without you? Exactly. Do you really think you're that important?
Fine. Then go find someone else capable. Or you can have the robot take over. I think the robot is pretty smart. It's been watching me operate the equipment. As for me, I'll be on my way.
Who said you could turn off the power? Now that you turned it off, the equipment has to be restarted. And completely recalibrated. You're deliberately messing with me, aren't you?
Mr. Vance, with all due respect, how could I possibly go against you? The regulations state plain and clear, after work, no operating precision instruments. To prevent damage that no one will take responsibility for. Are you asking me to violate the very rules you set?
You. Uncle Victor, please don't get angry, it's bad for your liver. Hurry up and get the robot's data upgraded. No problem. I'll do it tonight. And this stupid robot, can it even work? It can. It just needs time. You too, Uncle Victor, the problem isn't us. It's her. She's the one playing tricks behind our backs and tripping us up. Diana, you just wait.
Diana, if you keep this up, the manager will definitely retaliate. I heard he's a relative of the CEO. He was sent down from headquarters. You can't fight them.
He's already retaliated. I have nothing to fear.
What about the production line? That robot is so inflexible. He shirks responsibility whenever something goes wrong. That Jared's a total slacker. If this keeps up, all of Arthur's life's work will be ruined. Diana, I've worked in this factory my whole life. From when it was built, when it was unheard of, to now, growing to such a scale. I've always hoped our factory could maintain a world-class level.
Arthur, it definitely will. To protect something, you have to make those who want to destroy it pay a heavy price.
No wonder Arthur said you're just like her. That stubborn streak of yours, exactly the same.
Come over here and take a look. Look at the state of this batch. You can see the defects at a glance. Can we even ship this out? And this dimension. The deviation is huge. What the hell are you doing? Mr. Vance, we followed the operation manual. There's nothing wrong with the process. Did you even update its database? I update it every day. Every single day. Maybe the data volume is too large. It needs time to process. Process, my foot. You think it's a person who needs to sleep after eating. And what's this about? The surface is scratched like this. Tell me, what exactly went wrong? I'm not really sure. Useless. I give you a chance and you blow it. A whole week the reject rate has gone up by 30%. 30%, you guys have no shame. But I do have shame. You tell me, is this the level Apex should be at? Cornerstone Group has already spotted the issue. That's a global industry leader. Our most important partner. If this deal falls through, everyone in the factory, no one will have it easy. Uncle Victor. Manager, this whole thing can't be blamed on us. Every step we took followed the standards. The R3 robots database has been updated too. As for the operation, there's really no flaw to find. Yeah, but we can't stop someone from sabotaging us behind the scenes. Holding us back.
Jared, what do you mean? Who's sabotaging? And who didn't follow the rules? Say a name. I won't stand for it.
I know. Some people have objections to the factory regulations I set, and they're not happy with my pay cut plan. But for the company to move forward, first, it relies on regulations. Second, it relies on keeping up with the times, embracing AI. This is the trend. No one can stop it.
Well said. Spoken like a true manager. Far-sighted. I fully support everyone acting according to the rules. Anyone who doesn't follow the rules, I'll be the first to object. Manager, I've already signed this pay cut agreement.
You actually signed it?
That's right. Why wouldn't I? For the good of the factory, as someone who's worked here for over a decade, a veteran employee, isn't it right to take a pay cut? However the company decides, I'll go along with it.
Not bad. At least you have some sense of the big picture. Starting today, I want every one of you to show dedication, voluntarily work overtime, and make up for the lost productivity. Diana, you're the factory's senior engineer. Set an example.
You mean, you want me to lead the overtime and keep up with the robots?
Exactly. That's an order.
All right.
You agreed?
Of course. I support the manager's orders. Overtime is no problem. But Article 41 of the labor law states clearly that if the company requires overtime, it must follow national regulations and pay overtime wages. Also, Article 44 states that for working on legal holidays, you get at least triple pay, and for working on rest days, you either get comp time off or double pay. So, may I ask, manager, which standard are we going to follow then? Excuse me, Mr. Vance. Which standard are we going to follow? As long as the standard is clear, I'll be the first to work overtime. I believe all the senior workers are willing too.
Are you bargaining with me? Don't you have any sense of collective honor?
Of course, I have a sense of collective honor. But I also have the rules and the new regulations you personally set. Being late is heavily fined. Overtime should be compensated. What's this called? It's called following the rules. Mr. Vance, aren't you the one who advocates rules the most? Why is it that when it comes to me, it's suddenly bargaining?
Look at you. After all, you're just holding a grudge against me for cutting your $24,000 bonus.
You've got me wrong, Mr. Vance. Besides, don't we have robots? Can't they work 20 hours a day? They don't eat or drink, and we don't have to pay them overtime. Just buy a few more and problem solved.
Is that the same? How can robots compare to humans? What I mean is, the robots are still in the learning phase. They need someone to guide them.
Then I'm really looking forward to the robots replacing me soon. After all, my salary's been cut and there's no bonus anymore. From now on, I'll just assist the robots.
All right. Let me say a few words. Although our company has rules, we are still a team. This batch of orders concerns the survival of the factory. What others are unwilling to do, I'll do. What others can't do, I'll do too. Today, I, Jared, make a pledge here. For the factory, I voluntarily work overtime. Good. Well said. This is how our factory should be. Everyone should learn from Jared. Resolutely eliminate selfish behavior. Everything for the factory, everything for Apex. Diana. The main shaft of the production line has excessive radial runout. If not dealt with, once it breaks, the entire production line will shut down. This factory is where Arthur spent his whole life. He built the entire assembly line. You can't just stand by and watch something happen.
That's true. But Supervisor Davis, let me ask you one thing. Is there overtime pay?
Well,
If there's no overtime pay, then I really can't help. Arthur taught me so much, but he never taught me to work for free.
but, Supervisor Davis, this little thing, just let our 3 handle it. No need to beg someone. The robot can handle it. Of course, I just finished upgrading our 3's database. To fix this production line. More than enough. Ignore that pretentious woman. She really thinks without her, the factory can't run.
Hear that, Supervisor Davis? He's volunteering. A robot can replace me. Then what do they need me for?
Stop pretending. Once our 3 keeps evolving, you'll be the first to get fired. Puff. Bitch. What's going on? How did the code get all messed up? Explain yourself. What happened? System repair failed. Please contact the system administrator. Administrator what? Aren't you the administrator? Mr. Vance, Jared, you're my administrators. You talk back. I order you. Figure it out and fix it now. Fall back. Another one blew.
Diana, quick, check the news.
What's up?
Not only did Jared and the robot fail to fix it, they deleted the A9 system program. The equipment is going to be scrapped.
Where is Diana? Get Diana back here. Right. We're all working overtime. Where did Diana go?
After the face mask, my skin isn't so dry anymore.
What did you say? Nothing. This is Arthur's life's work. If we really get acquired, our factory is doomed.
Is that so? Diana, I know you're anxious, but it's really not work hours yet.
Diana, the situation is critical. Are you really gonna keep fighting them?
Diana, it's not that I'm deliberately picking a fight. I'm just playing by their rules and doing my job. Besides, isn't the high-intelligence robot R3 handling things? Why would they need me?
But what about Arthur's life's work? What do we do?
Don't worry, Diana. I have my own reasons.
All right.
R3, you better explain yourself. This equipment's been acting up all night. Did you fix it or not? Manager, no results yet. But, what? We really worked hard all night and did our best. What? Jared, weren't you so sure you could fix it? So what's the deal now? Cat got your tongue? Say something. Diana, you stay right there. What kind of work attitude is that? Something this big happened last night, and you were nowhere to be seen at Apex. Are you trying to get back at us?
Manager, about Apex, let me ask you one thing first. Do I still get my special technical allowance?
What did you say?
Manager, I also want to ask. To make way for the robot, did I voluntarily take a 1/3 pay cut?
Huh?
So why should I work overtime?
Okay, you're something else.
Diana, I think Mr. Vance is really losing it this time. Watch out, he might stab you in the back.
It's fine. I'm just afraid if he panics, he'll do something even stupider. See ya.
That Diana. She's out of line. Who does she think she is? She's just a tech person, isn't she? There's no way I can't handle her. Uncle Victor, don't get so worked up. It's actually not that serious. This Diana. Just because she has some technical skills, she's full of herself. We can have her write down all her daily work as operation manuals, and then input them into R3's database. That's a good idea. Once R3 runs through the process, we must replace her. R3. Do you have confidence? With Mr. Vance's guidance, I am confident. That's the spirit. You two do a good job, don't embarrass me. Don't worry, Uncle Victor. No problem at all. Don't worry, Mr. Vance. I'm a fast learner. Diana. Recently, there have been constant equipment issues in the factory. As our top technician, you need to take the lead and make a difference. First, set aside your current work and write me a comprehensive optimization plan covering the entire blade production line and all processes. Before the end of the day, deliver it to me.
Okay.
Diana, I think Mr. Vance is deliberately giving you a hard time. He wants to force you to work overtime. If you don't do it, he'll accuse you of being slack and lazy.
It's okay. It's just a report.
Put a little more muscle into it. What the heck is this?
Manager, didn't you ask me to write the comprehensive production line optimization report? I finished it.
What the hell did you write? Are you subtly insulting me? I'm warning you, if you keep slacking off like this, I'll fire you on the spot. Diana, what kind of attitude is that? After such a big incident last night, you were nowhere to be found. Are you deliberately getting back at me? I'm warning you, if you keep slacking off like this, I'll use this as an excuse to fire you.
Fire me. No problem. Just give me compensation as per the rules.
You actually recorded it.
Manager, ever since you took office, you've taken such good care of me. I had to take precautions, didn't I? Manager, I've submitted the report. I'll take off now.
Well, Diana. Don't think I can't do anything about you. Uncle Victor, you wanted to see me. This Diana's way too arrogant. R3 alone can't control her. We need to find someone capable to put her in her place. You graduated from a technical school. Do you know anyone in that field? Leave it to me. I'll find you a top industry expert. On a technical level, they'll completely overpower Diana. Just watch. B. Mr. Vance, I've heard so much about you. Expert Carter, please, have a seat. This robot is so smart. This is nothing. It can even write code and operate equipment. Mr. Vance is keeping up with the times. You have a broad vision. I admire that. Expert Carter, you flatter me. By the way, Expert Carter, Jared has probably filled you in that our factory is facing some technical challenges. Mr. Vance, don't worry. Now that I'm here, half the problem is solved. So, what do you think for a factory like ours is the biggest pain point right now? The biggest pain point is outdated thinking. This is the age of AI, the digital age. Replace manual labor with AI, drive decisions with data, and integrate resources with platforms. Mr. Vance, your plan to replace employees with AI is absolutely the right direction. You just need someone who knows the ropes. That's right. It matches my philosophy perfectly. Expert Carter, you're hired. As for compensation, don't worry, it will definitely meet your expectations. Let's go and take a look at the workshop, after you. Expert Carter, I have high hopes for you. Mr. Vance, rest assured. Now that I'm here, the AI era at Apex Factory truly begins.
The mechanical coordinate settings seem off.
Come, Expert Carter, this way. Everyone, stop for a moment. I have something to say. Lately, our factory's production efficiency hasn't improved, and we have a lot of defective products. I think the problem lies in the lack of skill among our technical staff. So, I must take strong remedial measures. This is Expert Carter, whom I recruited from our competitor, Vanguard Group, at a high salary. He not only knows engineering, but is also proficient in AI. A true multi-talented expert. Let's give him a round of applause. From now on, all technical issues in the factory, including the R3 robot's database upgrade, are entirely under Expert Carter's responsibility. If you have any questions, feel free to ask him.
This expert Carter looks like Victor Vance brought him in to target you.
It's fine. Having a few more talented people is a good thing. But these days, everyone calls themselves an expert. I just wonder how much this expert Carter really knows.
Diana, from now on, expert Carter will take your position and serve as the factory's technical engineer. Mr. Vance, you're too kind. Since I'm here, I hope to get into work mode as soon as possible and do my part for the factory. Now that's what I call an expert. Wants to work the moment he walks in. That's the kind of work ethic you should all learn from. Especially some of you. I get paid. So I need to work hard. To repay the manager's trust. It's only right. See, this is what a top employee in our factory should look like. Come on, expert, this way, please. Okay.
I've asked around. This expert Carter has a terrible reputation. He's a big talker.
Diana, let him brag. If you talk too big, you might bite your tongue.
That's enough. Seriously, enough already. The equipment is running normally. An expert is an expert. Fixed it on the first try. Problems with this kind of equipment are pretty much the same. British-made equipment has a rigid control architecture, and its interaction logic doesn't quite mesh with our local engineering. For equipment like this, I can get the knack of it after one look. Listen to that. Expert Carter sounds so convincing. From now on, the Apex factory the factory will have to rely on Expert Carter's hard work. Contributing to the factory is only natural. Diana. From now on, the machines in this workshop are none of your concern. Go find a nice spot to chill. Some people, just because they've been here forever, actually think they're indispensable, that the factory can't run without them. But honestly, they're useless. Might as well take a break early. Come on, Expert Carter, this way, please.
These code comments. Use the engineering notation style that only Arthur and I understand. Want to bypass it? Let's see if you've got the skills. Expert Carter, don't keep everyone waiting. Please. You're the top technical boss here now. We're all at your beck and call. Just tell us what to do, and we'll do it.
What's the rush? An expert works at his own pace and with careful precision. Expert, am I right? Right. Let me take a closer look. This DX module. I've never seen it before. Why are you, a robot, getting so close? Autonomous learning in progress. What are you two whispering about? Mr. Vance, we have an emergency. Manager. Cornerstone Group sent an email pushing us, asking for the DX module's latest operational data, saying this data will determine whether they will place additional orders. They said we must reply today. The DX module. Isn't that the thing on this machine? Expert Carter, take a look. This module on this equipment. There are several I've never seen, especially this DX module. The manual doesn't have it at all. Expert Carter. Are you kidding me? 80% of our plant's orders rely on Cornerstone Group. If we can't reply today, we're in deep trouble. Manager. What do you mean? You can't pin this on me. Who designed this module? Get them to handle it. This thing. Only the designer and the user know it best. It's Diana again. She never leaves us alone. Diana. Did you set this up? Just explain this module. If Cornerstone Group's order is delayed, can you take responsibility?
The DX module is a thermal compensation and precision adjustment system built for Cornerstone Group's batch of custom products. This module's computational data model is already widely known among engineers. Expert Carter, as an industry expert, you must have heard of it.
I know. Of course I know. I just didn't make the connection earlier. This woman wants to see me humiliated in public. She's out to get me. Since it's been published, I'll look it up later. I'll figure it out. I'm not gonna beg her, in front of everyone. See? If someone at Diana's level can handle it, for Expert Carter, it's a piece of cake. Right. Yes, exactly. Thank goodness we have Expert Carter. If we had to rely on some people, our factory would be out of business.
Well then, we'll just wait and see.
What did you say? The guy I kicked out. Expert Carter went to Apex.
Yes, just got word.
That guy is all show and no substance. He talks a big game, nothing more. Apex already has a top-tier expert like Diana. Why would they pay to hire someone I fired? Look into it. Don't let someone like Diana get treated badly.
Got it.
Hey, this Apex factory, it's not worthy of someone like Diana.
Talk. All of you, spill it. What's going on here? Manager, have some tea, cool off. I'm asking you. Why did all the factory's equipment suddenly break down? Cornerstone Group already knows. They're sending a rep to inspect tomorrow. If the production line can't be restored, I'll be facing tens of millions of dollars in compensation. Do you have any clue how serious this is? I tried to bypass that DX module and modify the core code directly, but the whole system got locked down instead. Aren't you the expert? I paid a lot to recruit you, and this is what you do. I checked, manager. There's a security protocol in the system. After emergency startup, everything locked up. I told you. It's Diana messing with us. We can't let her off. The problem has been identified. Can you solve it? No. It needs an upgrade. What about you? Uncle Victor. I can only handle robots at best. And you? I can't handle it for now either. A bunch of geniuses. The factory relies on Cornerstone Group orders to stay afloat. At this critical moment, all three of you are completely useless. The company paid $70,000 to bring you in, and all you can do is pour tea. I can handle regular assembly lines, but the DX module is beyond my ability. It needs an upgrade. How dare you talk back? I wouldn't dare. I was wrong. You said you won't let Diana off. What makes you think you can? Speak up. Diana. I was wrong about this. Earlier, about the special technical allowance, I was impulsive. I admit it. Name your price. As long as you get the production line back up, I'll pay you double. $50,000. Is that enough?
Mr. Vance, technical issues can't be settled with money as leverage.
Then name your terms. I'll do whatever I can.
Fine. I have two conditions. Apologize to me publicly at the company-wide meeting. Second, my special technical allowance and seniority allowance must be fully reinstated. Also, I want to re-sign my contract.
Diana. Re-signing the contract is fine, but isn't a public apology a bit much? After all, I'm the manager. I'll give you the substance, but let's skip the face-saving part.
A face-to-face apology is mandatory, while re-signing the contract is secondary.
Diana. Don't push it.
Push it. What did you say about me in public? I remember it clearly. Ask yourself honestly, am I really being unreasonable?
You.
These are my terms. Take it or leave it. It's up to you.
Ungrateful. Just you wait. Tomorrow, the representative from Cornerstone Group will arrive at the factory. If this production line isn't running, every single one of you will be held accountable. If you still want your high salary, figure out a solution fast. Got it. Mr. Vance, I've got a great idea. What is it? Let's just completely format the entire DX module, and I'll rewrite the code from scratch. It'll be at least 2 generations ahead of this closed system. Are you sure it'll work? I assure you. Absolutely no problem. We'll get it done by tomorrow before the Cornerstone people arrive. And Mr. Vance, think, once my system is in place, we'll never have to kowtow to anyone else. That's true technological independence. Exactly. Then we can kick Diana out of here. Good idea. Once we rewrite the program, Diana's gone for good. Then we can just let her go. Let's see how cocky she is then. It works.
Diana, they've gone crazy. Mr. Vance told that Carter guy to delete and rewrite the whole system.
Oh, really?
You knew they'd do this.
They want to kick me out. So they'll try any stupid trick. I thought I could hold out for another couple of days, but I didn't expect them to be this hasty.
They're going to scrap and rewrite the core module. The manager doesn't know any better. Fine. But that Carter guy, doesn't he understand that the hardware drivers for this equipment are deeply customized for the DX module? Formatting it would turn these precision machines into scrap metal.
Let him do it. Tomorrow, when the Cornerstone people arrive, they'll realize what it means to reap what you sow.
The equipment today should be fine, right? They're here, Mr. Vance. The Cornerstone Group's car has arrived. Miss Harper, welcome.
Mr. Vance, I'm here on behalf of Cornerstone Group to formally notify you. If by the end of today, the production line can't resume normal operation, we'll immediately terminate all cooperation agreements and start an $8-figure claim.
Miss Harper, our factory's been held back by a few bad apples. But rest assured, we've already redone all the system programs. We guarantee the production line will run normally today.
You sure?
Absolutely. Miss Harper, right this way, please. 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 Miss Harper, take a look. This is our brand new reconfigured production line.
Very good. Why hasn't it started yet?
Start it. What's going on? What happened? What are you waiting for? Go check it out. That's weird. Why isn't it responding? It's not working. Manager. It's all over. All the equipment is wrecked.
What the hell happened? The equipment won't move. How are we going to complete the order?
Miss Harper, please let me explain. It's not what you think.
No need to explain. We'll see you in court.
You okay, Uncle Victor? Detected abnormal heart rate. Call an ambulance. It's over. This is the end. If HQ finds out I just started and already lost Cornerstone Group's order, my career is ruined. Uncle Victor, don't panic. Let's talk to her and sort this out. It's her. She's behind all this. She's the backbone of our plant. But her work ethic is a total disaster. She shows up late and leaves early, and she deliberately gets back at people. This whole mess today. She's entirely to blame. Exactly. This woman just stood there and did nothing when the equipment went down. Now the equipment's wrecked, and she's fully to blame.
Jared, you need proof for what you're saying. Diana's always been punctual, and you guys are the ones with half-baked knowledge, insisting on this AI robot integration, which is what brought the plant down.
She never taught us how to work the equipment with the robots. She treated the robots like they were thieves, and even put firewalls in the system. Wasn't that just to keep us from learning? Right. This Diana saw the robot malfunctioning, and pretended she didn't. That's pure sabotage. I was just doing my job, and she held a grudge, deliberately getting back at me. Miss Harper, she's the one who wrecked the whole production line.
Excuse me, are you Diana? Are you Diana?
Yep, that's her. She's a technical employee at our plant. But she never follows the rules. She went crazy and destroyed the production line. That's why we missed the deadline. Miss Harper, trust me. Today, I'm firing this little darling. So our future cooperation won't have any obstacles.
Mr. Vance, you're passing the buck, and you're addicted to it, aren't you? It was you guys who insisted on bypassing the DX module and rewriting the code that messed everything up. What's Diana got to do with it?
No. She's using her little knowledge of the DX module to blackmail the factory into demanding more money. We didn't have a choice. Now that something went wrong, of course it's her fault. Exactly. If that module hadn't been tampered with, how could I have failed? Right. Don't believe me. Ask the robot. Robots don't lie. Diana needs to take responsibility. You hear that? Diana, you've caused massive losses to the factory. Today, on behalf of Apex, I'm officially firing you. Get out of here now. Security. Throw her out.
No need. I'll leave on my own.
Hold on a moment.
Miss Harper. Trust me.
What are you doing?
Our company will act on your behalf to sue Diana and make her pay for all losses, ensuring future cooperation remains unaffected. What are you waiting for? Hurry up, get her. I said, hold on. Don't you understand?
Miss Diana. Hello. Miss Diana, hello.
What's going on? How could she? Did I hear that right? The chief representative of Cornerstone Group is calling Diana, Miss.
Diana. You know Miss Harper.
Miss Harper, are you sure you have the right person? She's just a regular employee.
Shut up. Diana, never thought I'd run into you here.
You're...
3 years ago, you were at the Royal Institute of Technology giving a technical lecture. I was right there. That lecture changed my life.
Oh my god. Diana was at the Royal Institute teaching a class.
No wonder. Watching her at work, I always thought she was exceptional. Mr. Vance. Didn't you just say you wanted to fire Diana?
Miss Harper, you don't know the whole story. She broke the factory rules and goofed off, shutting down the production line. We're just doing our job.
That's ridiculous. Do you have any idea who you're talking to? She holds the patent for the DX module, making her the entire production line's core technology patent owner. Do you think someone like her would slack off?
What? Wait, you mean? The entire production line's core technology patent is hers. This can't be. How could that be? No wonder Diana is so talented. The entire production line's core patents are all hers.
I knew it. Every time there's a problem, Diana fixes it right away.
No way. She's just an ordinary engineer. How could she have core patents? It's definitely fake. Absolutely impossible. Core patents aren't that easy to get.
Don't believe me. Look carefully. Is this my patent certificate?
She shows a picture to fool you and you believe it. This is clearly forged.
You little rascals.
Miss Harper, don't let her fool you. She's a liar and selfish. What kind of person is she? We've known her a long time, and we know her best.
Fake, can't you think before you speak? This is a screenshot from the Patent Office's official site. If you don't believe it, go check it yourself.
You people are hopeless. If you had any brains, you'd realize the letters in DX module are the initials of Diana's name.
This module, based on Arthur's work, is a system I independently developed, thermal compensation and precision adjustment, specifically for Cornerstone Group's custom products. Moreover, I've always been giving it for free for the factory's use.
That's impossible. Absolutely impossible. Yeah, holding such strong patents and giving them to us for free, so fake.
You're really persistent in your delusion. The facts are right in front of you. Since you fired Diana, our cooperation ends here.
No. Miss Harper, the partnership can't be cancelled. Even if she's the patent holder, it doesn't stop us from continuing the partnership.
Mr. Vance, it seems you still don't understand the situation. Calling you little rascal was me being polite.
You? What the hell are you talking about?
Mr. Vance, I'll be straight with you. The reason Cornerstone Group chose you to partner with Apex is because we found out that your production line uses Diana's self-developed DX module. Diana's technology is the only reason we agreed to collaborate with you. Only the production line managed by Diana meets the standards. Now you fired her, there's no need for this partnership anymore.
Do you understand? The orders you take credit for, the stepping stones for your climb, all depend on me, my technology, not your connections or background, nor the equipment here. Victor Vance, it's time to settle the score.
You'd better think about how you're going to explain this to Mr. Dunn. The production line is completely shut down, equipment is totaled. The losses to our group are astronomical. You're gonna pay for this.
Diana, I was wrong. Please, don't hold this against me. Forgive me this once. I swear. From now on, I'll treat you like a queen. Diana, I failed to recognize your true worth. Please, let me off easy. Get the production line back up quickly. You can hit me or yell at me, whatever you want.
Your company's rules. Aren't they supposed to be strictly enforced? Just now you said I was slacking off and wanted to fire me. Now you're begging me. What's that about? Besides, whether you live or die has nothing to do with me. I'm just an ordinary employee. I don't even get a special technical allowance. I've worked for 10 years, and now even my seniority allowance is gone.
Diana, I was wrong. As long as you can restore the production line, I'll agree to any condition you set.
Mr. Vance, are you sure you'll agree to any condition?
If you'd come back, I'll agree to any condition. Go ahead.
Sorry, it's too late. Back then, you made an example out of me, trying to use AI robots to replace my job, and kick me out. Did you ever think it'd come to this?
You tricked me again.
Yeah, I did. What are you gonna do about it? I gave you chances, more than once. You just didn't appreciate them. Miss Harper, I know that batch means a lot to your company. I've got a solution.
Diana, what are your conditions? Long as the problem's solved, Cornerstone Group will fully cooperate.
I want to work with Cornerstone as an individual. After all, I just got fired.
Please, go ahead.
I want, on behalf of Cornerstone, to have Apex HQ agree to 3 conditions.
What are they?
First, make him his nephew Jared, the AI robot R3, and that so-called expert Carter right now, walk out of the factory this instant. They don't know a thing about tech, and don't belong here. Second, Apex headquarters must compensate me for Victor Vance's insult and slander against me. $120,000, not a penny less. Third, I'll fix the production line as a part-time tech consultant. I charge by the hour, $4,000 an hour, till the product passes inspection.
$4,000 an hour? You out of your mind. 10 hours a day, that's $40,000. Why don't you just rob a bank?
This just covers the past 10 years of what I gave and what I was owed. I didn't ask for a penny more.
I didn't see this coming. You're ruthless.
Time's running out. Go ask Mr. Dunn if he's on board. Facing that huge penalty, I think he'd rather pay us.
Diana, that's going too far.
Mr. Vance, if you really understood Diana's skills, and knew everything she's done over the years for Apex, you'd know she's worth every penny. Diana, the 3 conditions you raised, I'm totally on board with them. I'll contact Mr. Dunn right away. I'm sure he'll make the right call. Diana, let's go.
Uncle Victor, what do we do?
Mr. Dunn, I've laid out the situation. Now there are 2 paths. Either accept Diana's conditions, or terminate the partnership, and pay the penalty. Mr. Dunn, after all, we've worked together for years. We don't want this to get ugly. We'd rather have the product run smoothly, for mutual benefit. Which way to go should be pretty obvious.
Mr. Dunn, don't look at me like that. Today's situation is entirely their own doing. I understand embracing AI, but rashly letting AI robots replace engineers isn't feasible, at least for now. I suggest you think it over. Losing a client like Cornerstone Group, besides losing money, will hurt Apex's reputation and credibility in the industry. On one side, Cornerstone Group's order, on the other, your relative's position. Mr. Dunn, how do you weigh this? For you, it shouldn't be hard.
A mere engineer dares to speak to me like this in public. Fine, I agree to all 3 conditions. Uncle Victor, we're done. $120,000 in compensation. It'll be in your account within 2 hours. As for Victor Vance, effective immediately. He is removed from all positions within the group. Jared and Expert Carter are fired immediately. Robot R3 will be shut down and recalled.
Mr. Dunn, this decision of yours is very wise.
Mr. Dunn, I was wrong. Boss, give me another chance.
What are you waiting for? They've already been fired. Mr. Dunn, I hope your company can learn from this lesson. Respect our engineers' expertise. To avoid such chaos again, that hurts cooperation.
Miss Harper, from now on, I'll keep my people in line. Diana, on behalf of the group, regarding the serious mistakes made by Victor Vance during his tenure, I sincerely apologize to you, and please consider the bigger picture. Resume production as soon as possible.
Mr. Dunn, you pay, I work. What needs to be done, I'll do it properly. This factory was her life's work. I won't let anyone destroy it.
Okay. Going forward, I'll come to the factory personally to discuss details with you. Okay, that's great.
Diana, I never knew you were hiding such talent. No wonder Arthur said back then, you have talent, and you'd achieve something great one day.
Diana, before, I thought you were too low-key, always working hard for the factory without complaint. Today I understand a true master never reveals their hand. Let me go now, I can walk by myself. Let go. Uncle Victor, what do we do now? Don't worry. I have my ways. This battle isn't over yet. Diana, you're amazing. Even the manager got fired. You bet. We've been sick of them for ages. Ever since they showed up, they don't know a thing, and just boss us around. Making us work overtime every day. We're dead tired.
And that robot. Besides turning on and off, can't do a thing.
Whenever there's a problem, it just passes the buck. I think its biggest talent is just serving tea and water and sucking up.
It's been taken care of. Everyone, get ready quickly, we need to start as soon as possible.
Start as soon as possible.
Miss Harper, I really appreciate all your help.
You're too kind. Personally speaking, I respect Diana's expertise. From a partnership perspective, it's a win-win for both of us. I hope you can get the production line back up soon. Looking forward to your good news.
Okay, no problem.
Done.
Awesome, it's back.
When Diana steps in, there's nothing she can't handle.
The system is back, but we still need to check it thoroughly. Zhang, for spindle 5, the thermal compensation model, calibrated.
Got it.
Zhang, the coolant flow rate, go check it out.
Copy.
Yang, set the thermal imaging threshold to 85 degrees.
Understood.
Everyone, stay sharp. Don't mess this up again.
Diana hasn't changed a bit, still meticulous and thorough. Every step feels like crafting a masterpiece, with absolute precision. With her around, we're sure to produce top-notch products. Diana's really grown up. She can handle everything on her own now. Arthur's hard work has finally paid off.
Actually, Diana has been holding her own for a while. She's just always been low-key. Fantastic, the product's all good.
Alright, now the production line has been restored. Everyone, take your positions, let's get to work.
Start.
Diana, you're the best. Amazing.
Miss Harper, these are the finished products that just came off the production line. Please test them yourself.
That's incredible, 100% pass rate. The precision is 0.2 micrometers higher than before. Diana, you're truly remarkable.
You flatter me. I just did my duty as a technician. I just did what I had to do.
You're such a fool. I went through a lot to make you the manager. I repeatedly told you to keep a low profile. Look at the mess you've caused. Mr. Dunn, this really isn't my fault. Who knew that wicked woman, a mere engineer, had so many dirty tricks? For now, you just keep your head down. Don't cause any more trouble. But Mr. Dunn, we can't just let it go. Did you see her on the video call, acting so arrogant, talking to you like she's ordering you around? How can you swallow that humiliation? Besides, she holds the core patents for the entire production line. Core patents. Enough. I have my own plan. Look, R3 can even pour water with such precision. Can't it handle the simple tasks on the line? Mr. Dunn, I told you long ago, R3 is very smart. Better than most employees. Mr. Dunn, I can handle any position at Apex Factory. Once it takes over, it can save costs by 90%.
Diana, you're really early.
Over 10 years now, I'm used to it.
This plant can't run without Diana, otherwise, the whole place would shut down.
Shut down? Worse than that. If they really bring in the AI robots, we'll all be packing our bags. You said it. Whoever programmed that thing. That crappy robot only knows how to suck up.
Come on, stop joking. It's in the past now. Okay, everyone, get back to work.
Okay, Diana, we'll get going.
No. That sound. Something's off. Diana, stop it now. Turn off the machine.
Diana, what happened?
No time to explain. Shut it down.
Diana, what's going on?
Oh no, something's happened. Are you okay? Anyone hurt?
We're fine. It's just the machine.
There's something wrong with it. Open it up and check.
What the hell happened? No way. This drive shaft is an original import, nickel-based superalloy, rated lifespan of 15 years. It's been less than 3 years. How did it break?
Mr. Yang, bring a wrench.
Here, Diana.
No, that's not right. This is the most common. A 5 steel crankshaft. The strength and wear resistance are less than 1/20th of the genuine ones.
Passing off inferior goods as quality ones. This has been swapped out.
This kind of inferior shaft, if it snaps during high-speed operation, will throw the machine out of balance.
And put everyone in the factory in danger.
Circuit damage. In severe cases, it could blow up. I've been on night shift several times, and I've seen Victor Vance sneaking around the machines, tampering with them. It must be him. No wonder last month this machine kept making strange noises. So it was him sabotaging it. That Victor Vance is a snake. He's risking lives for money.
Victor Vance. I was gonna let you off. But I never figured you'd pull a stunt like this. You're gonna pay for this. Diana, secure the scene, pull the inspection report, and purchase records. Send them to Mr. Dunn and Miss Harper.
Got it, on it.
Don't worry, everyone. I promise I'll get to the bottom of this. Miss Harper, as you can see, this is serious. They wanted to get kickbacks. They replaced the original core with cheap imitations. They couldn't care less about the workers' lives.
Diana, I'll handle this right away.
Then I'll leave it to you, Miss Harper.
Absolutely. I will never tolerate this kind of problem from my suppliers.
Mr. Dunn, you wanted to see me. Look what you've done. Mr. Dunn, what's this all about? Can't you tell? You've been sued. You've been sued. Mr. Dunn, let me explain. It's not what you think, okay? What do you have to say for yourself? The evidence is clear. I turned a blind eye to your kickbacks, but safety items you dared to mess with. You're asking for death. Mr. Dunn, I messed up. Mr. Dunn, I was greedy and stupid. I never thought it'd blow up like this. Please, help me out. It's too late now. They've already filed it. You're going to face the lawsuit. Mr. Dunn, I can't go to prison. You've got to have a way out, right? Mr. Dunn, since I was a kid, you've always been the smartest in the family. What can I possibly do? If this gets out, the company will pay a fortune. Don't you get it? Remember, you did this yourself. No one else is involved. Got it?
Mr. Dunn, Miss Harper and Diana are waiting for you in the office.
Miss Harper, Diana. Sorry to keep you waiting.
Mr. Dunn, you know why I'm here, don't you?
I know. This was a serious oversight on our part. We're already handling it urgently. We guarantee your company and the workers a satisfactory outcome.
It better be. We've known each other for a long time. I don't want something like this to cause any hard feelings. After all, it's not just about quality, it's about character and safety. If something like this happens again, Cornerstone Group's partnership with your company will be terminated.
Miss Harper, you can rest assured on that. We're doing a full overhaul and a thorough investigation. We guarantee it won't happen again.
Mr. Dunn, I need you to give me an explanation.
Diana. Victor Vance has been taken in. The evidence is solid. The law will punish him severely.
That's not enough.
What other conditions do you have? Just name them. I'll do whatever I can.
Give every employee in the factory $10,000 in compensation.
$10,000 each. Diana, this matter is indeed risky. But after all, it didn't cause any actual harm. I can give compensation for emotional distress, but $10,000 is way too much.
If I hadn't discovered it in time, the ones facing legal punishment wouldn't be just Victor Vance. Mr. Dunn, you're not saying you can't afford that, are you?
Diana, this is a bit like extortion. I can compensate, but I really can't come up with that much. Let's discuss the amount later, properly. Look.
$10,000 per person. Not a penny less. And I need you to agree, right now. Today. Put it in writing and stamp it. If you can't, then the production line won't run.
Threatening me with that again. Fine. I accept. But you need to get production back up as soon as possible.
Mr. Dunn, don't worry. Once the new drive belt arrives, the line will be back up in no time. I'll leave you to it, Mr. Dunn.
Mr. Dunn, I'll be going as well.
Diana. Just you wait.
Finally got the system optimized.
Come over. Everyone, gather around. Has your compensation all been deposited?
Yes.
Got it. Diana's amazing. She helped us get so much compensation.
Yeah. My son's tuition is all covered now. Thank you, Diana.
Don't thank me. You've all worked hard during this time. This compensation is what you all deserve. From now on, we can focus on production without worry.
Okay.
The system optimization is complete. Everyone, let's work overtime today and get the production line back up as soon as possible. Overtime pay will be provided as usual. After all, Miss Harper has helped us a lot. Cornerstone Group's order cannot be delayed.
Don't worry, Diana. We'll definitely get the production done. Let's start.
Diana. I just saw the new product. You're amazing. After this optimization, the overall efficiency has increased by 20%. And energy consumption has dropped by 10%. This batch of products will definitely be delivered on time.
Miss Harper, you trust us. So we'll give it our all.
Working with Diana is such a pleasure. I've decided that Cornerstone Group, on top of the existing order, will add a $30 million long-term strategic cooperation agreement.
Miss Harper, the additional order is not urgent. How about you think it over?
No need to think. As long as Diana is here, there's no need to think twice.
Thank you.
Say what? Cornerstone Group wants to add an order worth $30 million.
Yes, Mr. Dunn. But Miss Harper has a condition. Diana has to be the lifetime technical director for this project. And it has to be in the contract.
Diana. Diana again. Get the car ready. I'm going to the factory now.
Yes, Mr. Dunn.
Diana.
Mr. Dunn, what's up?
Victor Vance has been locked up. You happy with the outcome?
By the book. It's what he deserved.
Oh, right. One more thing. This is additional compensation from the company. Severance and bonus.
I don't need the bonus. I'll only take what I'm owed. Mr. Dunn, you came to see me yourself. There must be more to it than that.
Diana, you're so smart. Actually, there is. This is the group's promotion announcement for you.
Apex Group Machinery Plant Vice President, Technical Director.
Yes.
In other words, if I sign this contract, I go from being an ordinary engineer to a group executive, and I'll get 5% phantom stock in Apex.
Yes, Diana. You're a technical genius. Apex Group is willing to provide you with a bigger stage. That Victor Vance is short-sighted. He doesn't deserve to be manager. My factory and production line should be handed over to a talent like you.
So, as long as I sign, I'll have money, status, and power.
You could say that.
I'm not signing.
Why? You think the terms aren't good enough? Money, shares, are all negotiable.
It's not about that. I'm an engineer. My greatest joy is tackling programming challenges one by one, watching the code make the machines run perfectly. This, I don't want it.
Victor Vance's crew, I've already cleaned them out. What else are you unhappy about?
The people are gone, but the roots remain. With you as the general manager, these family ties will never be severed.
What do you mean by that?
Exactly what I said.
Diana, I've been giving you plenty of chances. Don't push your luck.
Aren't you just using these shares to tie me down? And once you've bled my technology dry, kick me to the curb.
You nonsense.
Mr. Dunn, I don't play office politics. But that doesn't mean I don't see through it.
Stop. Diana, you can leave. But what you've obtained in the company, the core technology patents, are company assets. They must stay. If you want to go, sign this technology transfer agreement. Otherwise, you're not walking out that door.
Not only did you not recall R3, you're using it yourself now.
That's not the point. The point is, today, this agreement right here, you've got to sign.
Mr. Dunn, are you openly robbing me?
So what if I am? This is my factory. In here, my word is law.
Mr. Dunn, these technical patents I applied for them on my personal time. The patent certificates clearly state my name. They have nothing to do with the company.
Without the company's platforms and resources, you, a mere engineer, what could you possibly achieve? Go ahead and sue if you want, but you won't win. Be smart and sign it. Otherwise, I'll make sure you don't make it in this city.
If you want to sue, I'm ready whenever.
R3, grab him.
Let me go. Let me go.
Hold him down. Make him sign.
Quite a scene.
Who are you? Who let you in here?
Let me introduce myself. I'm Hannah Hayes. I've just acquired the largest heavy machinery plant in the West. I'm here specifically for Diana.
So you're that Miss Hayes who returned from abroad. The one who paid a fortune to buy Western heavy industries. What a sucker.
That's none of your business. I heard what Mr. Dunn said, and I couldn't disagree more. Our Vanguard group is willing to offer Diana better conditions, so she can fully utilize her talents, without any restrictions.
Poaching my people right in front of me.
Your company already fired Diana. How's that poaching?
You, R3.
An intelligent AI robot. You're using it as a bodyguard. Ridiculous. An AI robot can do some things, but it can never replace someone like Diana, a highly skilled engineer. Diana, you can go now.
Stop her.
Let's go, Diana.
Diana, you're really leaving. But Apex Factory is Arthur's life's work.
Don't worry. I'll be back.
No use.
Miss Hayes. Thank you for earlier. I didn't expect Mr. Dunn would act like that.
Diana, just a small favor. Besides, I truly admire you. If Apex can't keep you, it's their loss. Diana. Right now, our country, in heavy-duty gas turbines, precision machining, and other core technologies, is facing foreign technological bottlenecks. I saw your abilities, and that gave me hope. I want to invite you to join me to conquer these technologies and let our machinery industry truly reach the top of the world.
Miss Hayes, thanks for your recognition. What you said is exactly what I, as an engineer, have always dreamed of doing. I also get the tough spot our country is in. And I want to do my part. I'm in.
Great, Diana. Welcome to Vanguard Industries. Let's create the future together. From now on, this is Vanguard Machinery Plant. It's our base.
Not bad. Nice and spacious. Fully equipped.
Who's this, Miss Hayes?
Heard Miss Hayes just hired a top tech expert. That must be her. Hey everyone, hold up. Diana is the top-tier technical expert in our industry. Starting today, she'll be the group's technical director and vice president. Let's welcome her.
Hello everyone, I'm Diana. Looking forward to working with everyone.
Recently, our plant is going to partner with a global industry leader. They're sending a team of experts to conduct a comprehensive inspection. Once we pass inspection, we land that massive order. So, I need everyone to work hard and make sure every step meets quality standards. I promise once we land this order, everyone gets a double bonus.
Great. Awesome.
Alright, let's get back to work. Diana, let's talk specifics in the office.
Sure, Miss Hayes.
Diana, this will be your office from now on. Take a look and see if anything's missing. I'll have admin take care of it.
This is way better than my office at Apex, like, way better.
Diana, if you need anything for work, just let me know anytime. Or go directly to admin. Oh, by the way, about the latest thermal barrier coating process, I'd love to pick your brain about it.
The traditional investment casting process can no longer meet market demand. The thermal barrier coating process is indeed a breakthrough that's key to machining precision. Check this out. This is the experimental protocol I've recently put together. We can add it to the experimental plan soon.
Very detailed, Diana. We'll do everything as you request.
Hannah. Who's this woman? Why is she in my office?
This is our company's newly hired technical director and vice president, Diana. Diana, this is my cousin, Dylan Dawson.
Hello.
A technical director from outside. Can she handle it?
Dylan, what are you saying? Diana is an industry expert. Don't you dare say anything disrespectful about Diana.
Wait, Hannah. That's not right. Our company's technical director is supposed to be me.
You? Who told you that?
My mom. Your auntie.
I'm telling you, I never said I'd make you technical director. Not before, and not ever. Second, I begged Diana over and over before she agreed to come on board. If you disrespect her again, I'll have you thrown out immediately.
Hannah. But last night at dinner, Auntie personally promised to make me the company's technical director. Don't believe me, ask her.
No need. I run Vanguard Group.
Hannah, we're family. You've always been so kind to me. And now you're siding with an outsider just to yell at me. She fooling you? There are so many fake experts nowadays.
I'm no expert, and I'm definitely not fooling you. I came here to work with Miss Hayes on solving the industry's technical challenges and help her land the global order.
You, Hannah, fire her, right now. Let me help you. We're actual relatives. You can't side with strangers over family.
Hey, security, come to the technical director's office. Get Dylan out of here.
Hannah?
Also, without an appointment, no one is allowed to bother Diana.
Hannah, I'm your own cousin. This is how you treat me. I'm telling my mom.
Diana, I'm really sorry. My cousin has been spoiled by his family. In daily life, I don't say anything to him. But at work, I will never indulge him. Nor will I let him come to work at the company. Here, we eliminate any nepotism.
Miss Hayes, it's okay. Let's just talk about work.
Let's continue, Diana.
About what we were discussing, the experimental testing issue. I think it's fine.
Mom, what did Auntie say? Is it okay or not?
Auntie hasn't replied yet. Don't worry, son. We are blood relatives after all. That Hannah, would she really favor an outsider? Rest assured, it'll be fine.
All right. Speaking of the new technical director, is she any good? Is she all show and no substance?
They say she's an industry expert, but there's no info about her online. I bet there's something fishy.
In a few days, when the global industry leader comes to investigate, we'll see if she's any good.
The worst part is we work overtime, and in the end the product fails. We get 0 bonus.
You jinx. Don't say that. Diana, industry expert. Fine. I'll make sure you can't stay at Vanguard. I'll ruin your reputation.
Miss Carlisle, these are the 7th batch of turbine blade samples produced using the novel directional solidification process. They fully meet your company's RA 0.4 micrometer requirement.
Diana's technique has always given us confidence. Diana, the platform radial runout of this blade was measured at over 4 micrometers. The drawing requires it to be within 1 micrometer. What's going on here?
That's impossible. Every step went through strict CMM inspection and fluorescent penetrant inspection. This shouldn't be happening.
Miss Carlisle, could it be your instrument wasn't properly calibrated today? Diana is the technical expert that our CEO Miss Hayes hired at a high salary. Now all the blades casting process parameters. and 5-axis machining programming were set up by Diana. Normally, a mistake like this just shouldn't happen.
My instrument got calibrated this morning. There's no way it's faulty. This is typically caused during the finishing stage by a mismatch between spindle speed and feed rate. Unfortunately, Diana, these products completely fail to meet our acceptance criteria. Given the current situation, I have to report to HQ right away. I'm afraid this long-term supply agreement can't be signed.
Miss Carlisle, please give us another chance. If this order doesn't go through, our factory's production capacity for this year will sit idle. The workers' bonuses are all riding on this order.
What's everyone crowding here for? Get back to your posts.
Didn't I just hear the inspector say someone's not skilled enough? Just faking it here. The factory's most important order was messed up. Really, Diana? Is this really your fault? It's her. Diana, the new technical director, lacks skills and faked her resume. She's all show and no substance. Everything she made is scrap. Now the inspection failed. We can't sign the contract. All your bonuses are gone. Mr. Dawson is right. The inspector himself said so. I never expected this. Miss Hayes trusted her so much. The factory's core technology was all handed over to her. And look what happened. I never saw that coming. How are we supposed to explain this to Miss Hayes? How do we explain this to everyone waiting for the bonus to support their families?
All those extra overtime shifts for nothing. The bonus is gone just like that. If you can't hack it, don't take the job. You're ruining us. I was counting on this for my kids' tuition.
How can we keep someone like her in our factory? Let her continue to ruin the factory and leave everyone without a job? We should all petition Miss Hayes to get her fired. Right. Get her out of here now. Yes. Make her leave now. Kick her out. Leave the factory. We can't let her destroy the factory. Get out now. Out. Everyone, quiet down. Listen to me. Look how far this has gone, Diana. So are you gonna hand in your resignation yourself? Or wait to pay millions of dollars in fines? If you ask me, it'll cost her tens of millions of dollars, at least. And the workers' bonuses? How can she even make up for that?
Exactly. Just pay up the bonuses. It's all your fault. If you hadn't come to the factory, none of this would have happened.
Diana, aren't you supposed to be capable? The position of technical director, think you can handle it? See that, everyone? She's got nothing to say. Let's go. Let's go see Miss Hayes and kick this troublemaker out.
Hold up. This batch of products. An hour ago, they passed the random inspection perfectly. Now all of a sudden there's a problem. Don't you think that's fishy?
That's a good point. It is pretty weird.
That security camera over there should have caught who messed with these products.
Cut the crap. Who touched your stuff? Obviously, your own work was substandard. That's right. That security camera's been broken for days. It can't see a thing. Diana, just admit it already and turn in your resignation.
Get me the security footage from the testing area and bring it here now. Also, check the security camera's maintenance records from the last 5 days. I want to see exactly how it broke.
Diana, stop bluffing. This is your fault. You can't get away with it. Folks, I know some of you really need the cash. But there's nothing we can do. Because of Diana's mistake, everyone lost their bonuses. Now she's just trying to distract you. Everyone, team up now and report her to Miss Hayes. What are you waiting for? She made you lose your bonuses. Don't you want her gone?
I think Diana has a point. Let's just check the security footage. What if it's really not Diana's fault? We shouldn't blame an innocent person.
Don't let her fool you. She screwed up the product. The proof is rock solid.
I don't care who's at fault. I just need a result.
It's her. She was too careless and caused this huge mess. What are you still standing there for? Get her out of here. Want your bonuses or not?
Let go of me. Let go.
Hannah, you're finally here. You have no idea that the cooperation project with the British was completely ruined by Diana. Yes, Miss Hayes. We had all the processes ready, but it got stuck at Diana, the very last step.
Miss Harper, what are you doing here? Diana, I finally found you. After I heard you left Apex, I've been looking for you to talk to you about a long-term cooperation on gas turbine blades. Everyone, This is the president of the British factory we're about to cooperate with, Miss Harper. Miss Harper actually came in person. And Miss Harper even called Diana teacher. This is insane.
Harper actually called Diana teacher. What exactly is their relationship? What's going on? How could Diana be Miss Harper's teacher?
Miss Harper, I didn't expect you to come all this way, but right now, it doesn't seem like a good time for cooperation. Your expert said the gas turbine blades we produced are defective.
Carlisle, explain what's going on. Miss Harper, this batch of blades doesn't meet standards. They don't meet the acceptance criteria.
Miss Harper, take a look at this defect. The edge of this mark is very sharp. There's no high temperature oxidation color. It should be caused by external impact, not from casting or metallurgical defects during processing. Just now, Miss Carlisle did not use the calibration sphere to verify. The systematic error of the instrument itself is at least 0.5 micrometers. The data measured are not valid for reference.
Carlisle, how do you explain this? It was just a moment of carelessness on my part.
Diana, the security footage is here.
Mr. Dawson, do I need to keep playing it?
This security footage is clearly doctored. Hannah, you have to believe me.
Security, get them out of here. From today on, he's not allowed to set foot in this company again.
Miss Hayes, I'm sorry. Dylan forced me to do it. He said once he became technical director, he'd make me supervisor. Otherwise, he'd fire me. Please have mercy on me.
In my team, there's no room for a parasite like you. And I won't tolerate any nepotism. Go to HR and process your resignation now. Also, for the losses you've caused the company, the legal department will hold you legally accountable. Take him away.
Miss Hayes, I'm sorry, I know I was wrong. Please forgive me. Who dares to touch me? I'm Hannah's biological cousin. Let go of me.
Take him away. Diana, I'm so sorry. We misunderstood you just now. It's all because those two were stirring things up. That's why we wrongly blamed you. Please forgive us.
It's fine. Now that it's cleared up, it's fine. These blades need to undergo fluorescent inspection again and CMM measurement. We'll try to deliver them as soon as possible.
Diana, your composure and professionalism truly impress me. These products will be retested, but the contract will be signed now. Miss Harper, thank you for your trust. We won't let you down. I hope this partnership takes both companies to the next level.
We'll complete the production process validation within 2 months. All metrics will aim for a world-class level.
Production line expansion will kick off simultaneously. Great. Headquarters will fully support you. I've arranged for Spencer to stay and help you with technical issues. Diana, I'll head off now.
Okay, take care.
We really owe this to you. I never expected Miss Harper to be your student too.
I didn't think she'd come after me either. But the bonuses for everyone are finally sorted.
Everyone, hold up a second. Cornerstone Group has officially signed on with us. And the order volume has doubled. Everyone on this project will see their bonuses double too. Awesome, Diana is amazing. She came and landed us a huge order.
From now on, we're with Diana.
Me too.
I'm with Diana.
The sample testing passed. Production's on schedule. Miss Harper is thrilled with us. So, Diana, how can I thank you?
I want to buy Apex Factory.
Apex Factory, isn't that the place where you used to work? Since they lost your technical support, their orders have dropped by half. It's really a good time to acquire. But why did you suddenly want to acquire them?
After all, I came from Apex, and it's always been on my mind. I'll go back sooner or later. This time, I want to do it on my own. And take back Apex.
Tell me, why did the orders drop so much this month?
Mr. Dunn, I heard that Vanguard Machinery plant signed the huge order with Miss Harper. Many clients have switched to them. And it seems Diana is going to team up with Miss Hayes to acquire our plant.
What? Diana? Acquire our plant? Are you kidding me?
I heard it from industry gossip. They said they're already preparing the paperwork.
How dare they target my factory? Get the car ready now. I'm going to Vanguard.
Yes, Mr. Dunn.
Miss Hayes, the finance and legal departments have all confirmed. Our cash flow can fully cover Apex's debts, and also buy out all their equipment. Now we're just waiting for Apex to sign.
Miss Hayes, the acquisition is fine, but not a single veteran employee from Apex can be fired. They have the skills, the integrity, and the work ethic. They've all been working on the front line for many years, core staff.
No problem, whatever you say, Miss Hayes. Mr. Dunn from Apex is at the company gate. He says he wants to see you. He sure came fast. Let's go and meet him. Mr. Dunn, long time no see. Mr. Dunn, you're really well informed. Our document hasn't even been sent out yet and you already know.
Hayes, you've got some nerve teaming up with Diana to make a move on Apex.
Since you already know, I won't beat around the bush. That's right. We are going to acquire Apex. Apex is now deep in debt. Rather than struggling, you might as well sell out early.
Stop your nonsense. Even if I go bankrupt, I will never sell it to you. Diana, you're something else, going behind my back to pull this stunt.
Mr. Dunn, Apex's bankruptcy is inevitable. Why force it? Let go sooner, and the workers won't miss their pay and cause trouble.
Enough. Apex is mine, and no one touches it.
Mr. Dunn, we're making an offer now to give you a chance to get out. If you don't take it, you might end up stuck.
Don't threaten me. Just because you've latched onto Harper doesn't mean you can throw your weight around. I'm telling you, Apex will rise again.
Mr. Dunn, if you sign now, you can still get compensation. If you don't, within 2 months, Apex will have to file for bankruptcy. Then, you won't get a single cent.
That's right. Selling Apex to us now not only pays off all debts, but you'll also get a nice payout. You should know how to do the math better than us.
If you don't sign, you'll not only go bankrupt, but the workers' wages won't be paid, and you'll face lawsuits. Are you sure you can handle that? What they said makes some sense. Apex now has no orders. If wages aren't paid, the workers will definitely turn on me. Might as well sell the factory now and be done with it.
Mr. Dunn, out of my many years with Apex, I asked Miss Hayes to add a little extra compensation. This money for you now should be more than enough.
Fine, I'll sign. But I want to ask for a bit more compensation.
Fine. Since Mr. Dunn already brought it up, I'll be direct too. On top of the original amount, add another 5%. This is my final offer.
Okay, bring me the documents.
Hello everyone, I'm Diana. Starting today, I'm now the technical director of this factory. Here, I'm announcing 3 new rules that override all factory regulations. First, the company rewards and punishes fairly, and the competent rise to the top. Starting today, your bonuses, performance, and promotions are all tied to ability, not flattery or networking at all.
All right.
Second, the company's promotion path is clear, and I'll establish a strict technical assessment and evaluation system. For those who want to coast, I suggest you quit while you can. Those with real skills will be given a stage.
Good.
Third, and most important, respect technology and respect expertise. Our factory was built on technology, and it will rely on technology to thrive.
All right.
I'm done. Meeting's over. Soon after, I promoted Diana to workshop director. The factory quickly got back on track. The tech era is here. I, Diana, won't back down. R3, remember me?
Of course I do. Diana. Oh, no, hi, Diana. What can I do for you? I can run the assembly line, organize data, and handle any daily tasks. At work or in daily life, I'll be your trusty assistant.
Let me ask you a question. After everything, do you still think you can replace my job? I command you to tell the truth.
With all due respect, even if I upgrade a dozen more times, I could never replace you. As far as I can understand and foresee, for the next 20 years at least, I still can't.